One of the things we need to do is take care of this. This is a very small boat hook, and while it'd be nice for a dinghy, it just doesn't do anything here. You're not going to reach much with this. See, this one's so good. This one, however. This is the one you want. One of the issues is we gotta beef these things up. I hope these come out. And I got these. So hopefully this is not gonna be a big problem. Let's give it a try. I have these larger oar locks. I took the small ones out here. They were held by 2 screws. I'm reusing the same screw in the same hole. Just a little dab of little dab of 4200. It's not holding up the world. And if I ever had to take these off, of course 4200 I should be able to, but. Now we have a boat hook that we can hang back here that floats and extends out 14 feet. So I can grab a lot of stuff from the side of the boat with that. And Tony can drag me if I go overboard, if she chooses to do so.
Without going overboard myself.
Yeah. What are we going to do with the old boat hook?
We're going to use it in the dinghy. This dinghy is like the Harry Potter of dinghies. You know, remember Hermione's purse?
Bag, yeah.
Yeah. She kept putting stuff in it. Peter keeps putting stuff in this dinghy and it keeps finding a spot.